morning, everyone. It's July 2nd. It's about 10:40, and I wanted to give this video as a way of an update. You can see that the market has sped up since about 10 o'clock in the morning Eastern Time. That's because there was an ISM manufacturing number that came out. You can see here that it was definitely bullish for the British pound, but the market was also trading into this overall triangle pattern. Let me put this in a bit of a different color. There you go. And because of that, you can see that there was a potential break right above that high, because here was the close. So again, just a quick review. The market closes outside of the pattern. I like to trade above the high of that bar. There's the push up and the trade. Now that the market is starting to turn around, this illustrates the point which I've been talking about over the last several days, that if momentum turns around and you're watching a trade, you want to watch out. Now, I'm not looking to exit. If I were in a trade, I would not be looking to exit quite yet because the bar hasn't closed. But if this bar does manage to close down, which it will, this bar will close in about another 4 minutes, or if this bar comes down to this level here, which is the low of the prior bar, then I'm looking to exit because the momentum is stopped. I'm looking for the market to follow through. Even I will let it dip down, but I'm definitely looking for the market to close up, close up, close up. If I get this first bar closing down, that's the first sign to me that momentum has died off and that I need to exit the position, at least for the short term. Now, I also want to talk about this double top. Remember, 2143 is the high from in April, and you can see that the market today got up just underneath that level. You can see it didn't quite reach the prior high. But it's close enough that I'm looking at this as a double top. So if this market does manage to break above the prior level, I'm definitely going to be looking for a trade, although I'm not going to trade just on the break quite yet. What I'm looking for is the market to break and then give me a little dipper pattern, which means the market, pushing up. My apologies. Let me get my colors right. There we go. So I'm looking for the market to push up and then either form a flag pattern, back down into support, or possibly a pennant pattern, back down into support, or if the market momentum is there, possibly just a little dipper where the market will then sort of trade sideways down here, giving a possible entry point. All of which, is going to be dependent on what the market does over the next couple of days. Now, as an aggressive trader, it would be possible to just take a trade if the market breaks above the prior level. Let me get better color there. If the market breaks above this prior high, but you've got to be ready for the market to turn around very quickly. What you may see is the market spike above and then just drop back down like this. And that can happen for a variety of reasons. Remember, the price has not been here at these levels since literally 1992 and 1991. So traders are unfamiliar with these levels. We've got to wait to see if the fundamental picture actually gives some justification for them.